Hi all, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see about indoor air purifying plants. As most of you know, study from Environmental Protection Agency has said that our homes have 3 to 5 times more polluted than outdoors. Hence, NASA Clear Air study research for simple and effective ways to detox the inside air. It was revealed that some common houseplants have air purifying superpowers and can be kept at home to purify air naturally. I have selected 3 low maintenance plants from those lists. Most of us love indoor plants for their beauty, but today we are going to see the benefits of those indoor plants. First plant in my list is money plant. It is also known as pothos or devil's ivy. It is most common household plant. It can be grown in both soil and water. It is ideal for removing airborne pollutants from indoor air. It is natural air purifier that helps in improving our health. Money plant helps in reducing stress at work. It also helps to keep our mind calm. It reduces sleeping disorder. Money plant acts as anti-radiator. It absorbs all harmful radiation which are produced by electronic items in the home. So try to keep money plant near television, computer or laptop and Wi-Fi router. Money plant is considered as lucky plant for home. It brings health, wealth, prosperity and happiness in home. It is believed that because of heart-shaped leaves of money plant, it brings love and happiness in the family. Second plant in my list is snake plant. Snake plant is also known as mother-in-law's tongue plant or sansevieria. It is one of the herb plants that are quite famous for their names and benefits. One of the most well-known benefits of this plant is its ability to absorb pollutant from air, and it decreases the odds of airborne allergies. It removes around 107 toxic in the air. Improves quality of sleep as it takes in carbon dioxide and emits oxygen even during night time. It is a great oxygen producing houseplant. Snake plants are beautiful. Placing snake plant in your home or office will provide you an added benefit of keeping interior beautiful and healthy. Last plant in my list is aloe vera. It is one of the most amazing plant which is beneficial for multiple problems. It's been used for medicinal purpose from ancient times. I already told this is a NASA approved air purifier plant. It has additional benefits of eliminating volatile organic compounds or VOCs from air. What is VOC? In general, we can say that VOC are chemicals that are typically released from building material, furniture, cleaning supplies, and other everyday products in the home. Aloe vera contains enzymes. These enzymes helps in digestion by breaking up the undigested food. It will take few weeks of regular aloe vera consumption to completely clean up the colon or large intestine. Due to its antiseptic property, it helps to reduce the acne. It promotes hair growth and prevent hair fall. Drinking aloe vera juice boosts our immunity power. Beauty benefits of aloe vera is endless, and that is why it is used as active ingredient in many moisturizer, face wash, face cream, soaps, etc. All these plants are low maintenance, stylish and cozy. When kept indoors, they give or add a touch of nature to our home. NASA recommends keeping at least one medium to large size plant per 100 square foot area inside the home. So, if you stay in 1000 square foot home, then at least 10 indoor plants should be there to purify the indoor air. If you are planning to keep plant in bedroom, then choose a plant which emits oxygen even during night time. Plants like aloe vera, snake plant, spider plant, etc. emit oxygen even during night time. This is some of the information regarding air purifier plant. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.